Hi guys, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone. And today, in this specific episode, I'm going to be talking about tags, HTML tags. Now, what about HTML tags? HTML tags, they are very special kind of features of HTML documents because they are the ones that give us the go ahead to carry out most activities in HTML. So, I'll talk about these HTML tags. They are used in several ways. They are used in defining our documents in HTML. So, for example, these tags they often have an opening and closing tags, opening and closing tags. So basically, these tags they enclose what is known as elements. For example, in this first line, you can see that there are 11 lines in this code. 11 lines. Now, when we go to line one, you can see that there is we can see that there is this tag here, and this tag this is an opening tag, and with inside this tag we have the exclamation mark doc type HTML. That's telling you that this is a HTML document. Then you have the closing tag. So this closing tag it is this greater than sign. Then the opening tag is the lesser than sign. So you can see it here. If I select it, so selecting it here. So these tags, in between this tag, we have what's known as elements. You can have different type of elements. There's what's known as the paragraph element. So basically, I'll make use of the opening tag, and then I'll write P inside. So it's mostly lowercase p, then close the tag. So you can see that it has automatically closed it and inserted a closing for the element. So this is the opening and closing tag for the opening element, and then this is the opening and closing tag for the closing element. So for example, I can decide to input a text. This is my this is that is HTML course. So now, if I were to run this code, so have in mind that I'm actually using a virtual machine here on the Mac. I'm on Android operating system, but originally on the Mac. So it might be a little bit slow, but bear with that. I don't want to use the phone for this video. Now, if I click on this button, this button is for the play. So I've magnified the screen. So this button right here is for the play. So that's for to execute the code. So now let me press it, and you see that I will have the web page. So this is how it looks like. This is how the page looks like. It looks something like this, and you can see the text I wrote. That is the in between the tag. So it's a new paragraph on its own. So this is how it looks. I can decide to do some formatting. For example, I can change the background color using HTML. I can just say BGC. So let me change this BGC because so I can change it to pink. So now let me go and execute it again. You see that the background color has changed to pink. So these are basically properties of these elements. So for example, the body element has the property that its background color is pink. Now these are also the same things we use in CSS when we use to style the HTML document, but we will not be going to CSS yet. So now the last thing I'll do is I'll save this. Let me name it. Let me save as the name of this course. That's web development with Android. So let's just call it dev with Android .html. Now this .html it is a unique part of this document which gives it its extension, and it is necessary if you are going to execute it correctly. So I'll save it. So this is now a HTML file. So anywhere it is executed, whether in a browser, it is going to show something similar to this. This is how the web page will look. Now, I know you are thinking that the web pages are much more complex than this. Yes, I know, but we are going to start from this code, and we are going to take you through to the most complex stages in this course. Just stay with me and enjoy this process. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next episode.